Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. I will walk you through the simple steps to set up your very own public profile, allowing you to connect with a wider audience, share your content, and engage with the Snapchat community. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure is your Snapchat app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update the app. After that, open a Snapchat app on your device. Then you need to go on your profile by tapping on this little icon of your profile in top left corner of the screen. So next you are on your profile, and you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page, then you will see an option where is written Create Public Profile. If you didn't see, go on Settings button in top right corner of the screen. Now you are on Settings menu, and you need to scroll down on Privacy Control section. When you do that, we need to make a few steps. First one is to go on My Story option and set on Everyone Can See. Next, go on Contact Me, and this one set on Everyone. Then go on Send Me Notification, and this one set on Everyone, and one more, that is See Me in Quick Add, and enable this option. So now go back on your profile and scroll to the bottom of page, and go on Create Public Profile. Next, follow the steps to create a public profile and confirm the changes, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.